I'm going to show you how I do the magic circle. Magic circle is great for if you're starting projects that are in the round and you don't want a large hole in the middle. I crochet left-handed. If you're right-handed, you can flip this video for a little bit of a better image. Take the tail and I pinch it between my middle finger and my thumb. Then I take my working yarn and I wrap it around the front of my pointer finger, around, so it's going around all my fingers, and then around a second time so that I make an X, and then I use my ring finger to hold it there. Then with my hook, I insert my hook in the middle of my fingers there. I grab this top string and pull it underneath the bottom string, and then just carefully take my fingers out, holding my yarn where it is, and then I just do a chain one to close it. If you're going to be starting with double crochets or half double crochets, you might need to chain two or something like that. From here, you can see that it will tighten or loosen as much as you need, so you can then continue on with whatever stitch it is that you're going to do into your magic circle.